Hey, it's Jamie. That's me here. Welcome back. Welcome back. We are back for another episode of Court is Messy. Okay, y'all know we got Judge Simpson over here, so let us go ahead and hop over here, and we are about to get into it. All right. This particular hearing said you was serial liar pushes Judge Simpson to the brink. So, girl, it's giving court is messy, and we are about to go ahead and check this out. Now, make sure you guys are indeed coming into the video. You are liking up the video, please, ma'am and sirs. Make sure that you're also subscribing to the channel as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it.
You want to know what? You keep it up. What did I tell you? You think I'm kidding? Do you think I'm kidding?
Is he about to lead a
Patrick
courtroom?
McLaughlin versus Daryl Daniels. What's your name?
I got a cane. So
Your Honor, Alexander, on behalf of the defendant, who's also present, Daryl Daniels.
Daniels.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Roger. If I may before start, may I say something? Good luck.
Maybe. Go ahead. What do you want to say?
Last time I was here, Your Honor, I was scared, and I lied to you.
Okay.
I was not. I went through this with Mr. McLaughlin. I didn't. When they wouldn't let me into my place, so I took them. I took the money.
Both sets of money?
Huh?
Both sets?
I took the money because I had no place to go, and I didn't know what to do. And I had medications, and I was on the street. I had no family and friends, and he kept pressing me to move out so that someone else would move in. And he kept sending me emails and texts that my security deposit was going down, and I really didn't know what to do. And then not able to get back to my place where my stuff is, and I was scared. I truly was, and I didn't want to admit that I was afraid or something like that. You know, I thought it made me seem like I'm weak or something like that. And I found out that makes me seem like I'm weak by not being honest. And I apologize.
That's what I'm saying. Why would the judge
So
believe you now?
So you voluntarily
lied
surrendered the
first
apartment?
time?
No, I just surrendered the apartment. No, I couldn't get back in. They had already locked the doors. I couldn't get in. I couldn't get in. You're standing there. I couldn't get in.
So what are you claiming you lied about?
I accepted the $400.
Which $400?
There's only one.
Well, no. My understanding is there's two $400.
That's what they're trying to say.
Okay, so which $400 did you lie about?
A video that they have showing him giving me $400. There's video.
From Mr. McLaughlin's agent.
Yeah.
You took that $400.
Yeah. They came down the stairs and they gave it to me.
Okay.
I didn't want it, but.
Well, hold on a second. Hold on, Mr. Davis. So you took that $400, and that was the $400 where you agreed to surrender the unit.
No, I didn't agree to surrender anything.
Then why were you getting the $400?
He told me, listen, girl, listen, you might as well, I have to stay in. And I agreed with it, the young woman. And I'm like, I'm not signing anything. That's wrong. He's like, yeah. He said, I don't.
So
I was frightened.
Daniels,
Yes, sir.
there's this meeting that takes place.
Yes, sir.
You're given $400.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Why did they give you the $400 if it wasn't to relinquish possession of it?
I wasn't relinquishing possession.
Okay.
I never agreed to it.
Okay. All right. Then why did you take the $400?
I know what to do. I had no place.
What do you mean you didn't know what to
I
do?
had no place to go. And I don't want to stay on the streets. And
Mr. Daniel,
yes, sir.
what you're saying, it doesn't make any sense.
I made
So, you need to start telling the truth.
Right. He's
So-
over here still lying.
I took it because I didn't have no place to go. I didn't have no money to get food to eat. I had medications that I had to have. And I
Mr.
didn't know.
Daniel, you had a place. They said, so here's what you told me.
The door was locked.
Please
I was
tell us
locked
what he
out.
told
I
you, Your
had keys
Honor.
to the place. The locks were changed. I had no way of getting in. And if you show the video properly, even the front door was boarded shut. It was extra cross with wood. I couldn't get in. The locks were changing, all that. I come around to the back, and there they are standing at the back door. And I'm like, listen, let me in. And here I go. And I, it's like, I panicked, I was scared, it's like, no excuse. I do a lot of mental illness, mental things, and
Yeah, you do. That's you
but
about
they all
telling
coming
the
at me
truth
anyway.
about.
They had broken into my home.
Look at the judge.
The tenant that stayed there. I told him to walk. He's like, so what you want me to do?
Oh,
And I was
child.
afraid, but I was afraid that I was afraid that I would react in a way that I was supposed to. I didn't know what to do. Honestly, I didn't. Truthfully, I didn't know what to do. And not thinking properly, and thinking that I would be smarter than them, accepting it and still coming to report against them for what they've done. That's what I thought. I didn't truly. At the time, everything was happening. I was panicking and didn't want to go through it. Didn't want to go on the streets. Didn't know what's happening. And they offered money, and I said, okay. I thought I was being smart. I apologize. I didn't know what I was doing. I was very scared.
So he lied about
I was be able to
taking.
come here and tell what they were doing to me. That was wrong. Because I was already locked out. The locks were already changed. I thought I was fine. I did. I apologize.
Mr. Daniels, what do you want me to do now that it's been determined, well, you've admitted that you've lied?
I was already, as I stated, the locks had already been changed. I was locked out.
So it sounded like he got evicted and it was some money and he wasn't supposed to take that money. He took it anyway.
I want to be treated fairly, done right, but I conduct myself like they did.
And he came to the court saying lied. Now he's saying
I treated myself like I did.
Well, quite frankly, this isn't about you because you came here on the date the hearing was set. Mr. McLaughlin was not here. You told me they had locked you out, yes, that you could not get back in your premises, yes, and all of that, right? Yes. But basically he had resorted to self-help.
Yes.
What that led the court to do was to then set, but now I understand why Mr. McLaughlin was here because you had surrendered the apartment.
No, the doors were already locked. The locks were already changed. The locks were already changed.
So then I show cause Mr. McLaughlin to come in. He files an answer. He files a response.
Yeah.
We are back here. You go get legal services.
Yes.
Mr. Henry appears.
Yes.
And at that hearing, you continued to maintain that you were locked out.
Yes.
Yes. And specifically told me that you didn't take the $400.
I lied.
I know. We get that you lied. But that you didn't take the $400, that they locked you out, that then there wasn't this period in time afterwards.
Yes.
You got community mental health because of that to put you up. Yes. So other monies got paid on your behalf.
Yes. They did change the locks on the door. I couldn't get in. The locks were changed. I couldn't get in.
Sound like he's trying to justify taking that $400.
Truly, Your Honor. Not the first time it came here, you shouldn't.
I shouldn't believe anything you are telling me.
Right.
I do not believe.
I understand, but I can go on after sit back, praying, and think about it. And you've been honest with me, you've been fair with me all the time, and I think
what I do.
Tell you no lies. And I had to come tell you today and let you know that. I was afraid, Your Honor. I was
afraid of what?
I don't know, everything. I was locked out and the locks have changed already when they gave me the money. They're already changed. I'm locked out. And I thought it was based, I don't know. I'm so jealous. Apologize. I won't say anything else, that might say, what else can I say? But I was being honest, now I am. I like you.
You know something? Not only did you lie to me, you recall at the last hearing, I had my bailiff put Mr. McLaughlin under oath, and we put you under oath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. McLaughlin maintained the same story that he basically put in his written communication and what he had said. He didn't have everything with him. He said he had a video and wanted to make sure that he could bring it next
Mr.
week.
McLaughlin have not been honest.
Oh.
That's why every time I call other people I was trying to move out of Mr. McLaughlin's place because I didn't like it there.
You surrendered possession. You surrendered possession of the premises.
No, sir.
Yes, you did.
No, sir.
Yes, you did. That's why you took the $400.
Your Honor, as I say, the locks already changed before they gave me that. The locks already changed.
I don't believe you.
I know you would.
Because you're not already
That's
live.
right. I tell you the truth. The locks already changed.
You know something? Here's the go. Be
I
quiet.
know that's right.
Pardon?
Be quiet.
You've been hearing the judge this whole time. Now your ass talking about something. Huh?
You
Pardon me?
lied to this court when you came here, caused me to file an order to show cause, got Mr. McLaughlin in. Mr. McLaughlin had to file an answer to it, find all of that information, do all of that. You go to legal services, they in good faith, Mr. Henry decides to represent you because you're saying that you've been locked out of the premises. We get here, for the second time that you've been here, Mr. McLaughlin was only here the one time. But we all get here, put you under oath, you give me your story. The story you give me, you lied. Now, in that same time, you are also lying to Community Mental Health, who is paying to put you
Right.
up as though you had been locked out. You were not locked out.
Locked out.
No,
I'm
you weren't.
when he gave me the show video, I go upstairs. I'm beating on the door again. And I said, "Now they give me $400. The locks already changed."
If that were the truth,
Yeah.
then why wouldn't you have told me that you got the $400?
I'm ashamed that I took it, because I had a place to go.
Why would you?
I apologize. I have no excuse. I have no excuse.
Your story
I was-
just keeps
and I was-
changing. Your story keeps changing.
I was hungry, I was scared. And I had medication, stuff that I didn't have, and I had no place to go. I had no family friends. That's what I'm saying. I had no place to go. As it shows the video, the door's already locked. The locks already changed. They've already changed the locks. The locks already changed. And I told him to come down and give me $400. The locks already changed on the door. I couldn't get in.
So how you got the $400?
Good. You tell me everything you want to tell me.
That's all I
Because I don't want you to ever say I didn't give you a chance to tell me.
told you everything. The locks were already changed on the door. When he came down, he gave me $400, sir.
And I don't believe
And
you.
I took it.
And I don't believe you. I think that what happened here is you took the $400, voluntarily moved, which also then makes sense with what Mr. McLaughlin was saying and what he has in writing, that he agreed. You know what? I am not going to sit here and try to overtalk you, because if you keep interrupting me, you're going to be going with my bailiff. Am I clear?
I'm not in the aggressive position. I'm not being that way. So, I'll leave it if you want to. Sorry.
The reason you took the $400 is because you voluntarily surrendered the premises. That's what the court's going to find, that you did that. And that
Took the $400 because he
court
was
also
leaving.
believes that you took the additional
And then
$400
saying he was locked
that
out.
was later on given to you. It all makes sense. That's why Mr. McLaughlin said, I will keep, and it's in writing in a text, that he would allow your property to stay there for a month. And then he gave you more money. And you're just taking money and then coming to court, causing everybody all kinds of problems.
I know I took.
Oh, no, you don't even have any idea.
I took once. Sorry.
You keep interrupting me. So I'm done.
I didn't honestly, I apologize.
I find that there was no lockout. I also find that he voluntarily surrendered the premises. Mr. Henry, I know this is embarrassing for you because you came here representing your client, believing that all of this had happened. I find you and have found you always to be an honorable attorney and always put good faith arguments. And you properly did the right thing once you determined your client was an absolute liar. And that is you filed your motion to withdraw. So prior to entering what I'm entering, I'm going to grant your motion to withdraw. Find that it's surrendered. This case is dismissed,
I was
but
just
you
gonna
are
say, like,
entitled to
please
possession of the
release
premises.
this case.
Oh, yeah. It's yours. He gave it up. You want to know what? You keep it up.
Wow. Wait,
What-
wait. The judge gave this man property. I'm hollering.
But you are entitled to possession of the premises.
Oh, possession of the premises.
Oh, yeah. It's yours. He gave it up. Andering, I'm going to grant your motion to withdraw. Find that it's surrendered. This case is dismissed, but you are entitled to possession of the premises. Oh, yeah. It's yours. He gave it up. You want to know what? You keep it up. What did I tell you? You think I'm kidding? Do you think I'm kidding?
He's still talking on his way
Then I'd
out.
suggest what you do
Child.
is you turn around and you walk out and don't say another word to me, because if you say another word to me, you're going to go with officer.
He need to go for
Mahoney.
lying.
Have a great day. Okay, court's going to stand in recess.
I hate that it muted because I wanted to know what else he was saying. But anywho, so what it kind of seems like is that he was staying in this house with in this apartment with a person. I guess they had some conflict. The man that you saw in the blue shirt that was yelling was supposed to be leaving the premises, and when he left the premises, he took some money with him. I guess the man was probably paying him like, I'm gonna give you back your rent if you go ahead and leave, and he said, I'll let you keep your stuff here for about a month or so. And I guess he ended up probably taking $800 versus the $400 that he's saying that he took. He gave the judge an elaborate story the last time he came to court, only to come back and say that he lied about everything. Guess he tried to say he never took the money and he was locked out. Come to find out, he did take the money. And in order for him to take the money, the judge feels like the locks on the apartment were never changed. Okay, I guess the man tried to say he was locked out and he never got no money, but what we learned is that you did get money and you were never locked out. Okay, but all in all, this case was a bit confusing, just a little bit. But the more I was listening to it, I said, this sounds stupid. Like, Your Honor, please go ahead and dismiss this man's case and get him the hell up out of here. So that's what I was thinking, and I'm glad that he did. But he should have definitely locked his ass up for sitting up there playing on that man's top and lying and wasting everybody's time in the courtroom, honey. But anywho, child, that's all that I got. Leave y'all thoughts and comments down below on this confusing ass case. I am JamiThatsMe, okay? Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at JamiThatsMe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
King of my city and cul-de-sac. Coming out swinging like soldier rag. Leading my people like quarterback. Boy, I study this shit, I'm an almanac. Had to get up and grind. Knowledge is booming, I'm here to apply. Came with the chip and the dip, it just single the mind. We finna do more than survive. I need my check. Spinning the block for the Gouda. We hitting the jeweler to flood out the net. We don't do beef on computers, I'm straight out the sewer. We come when you rest. Niggas be looking perplexed, so keeping my foot on their neck. No map, I trust my gut for the quest. With drama, I'm fully abreast. I was ready for years and they doubted me. All of a sudden they tell me they proud of me. I've been dropping these haters like calories. Cross them out, I came back with some batteries. Stand for my honor, but too raw, no corner. Packing the stick with a drummer. Wanna catch my bad, won't fumble. I done came too far to be